So this is how most people use their faucet. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do.
That's how I use a faucet when I visit my sister.
And here is how homesteaders do it. Especially people living off rainwater in the desert.
I bet you could drip it slower.
Huh?
Oh, I said I bet you could drip it slower.
Yeah. So this is how we wash our hands on the homestead. Stop it. Soap with it off. Be sure to drip down. And then tiny, tiny little rinse. We almost never turn the faucet on full blast unless we're filling something up that needs it and we know we're going to use the water. Happy homesteading and conserve your water.